Hello and welcome to Portland State University's CTF Walkthrough channel. This is the walkthrough for Master Challenge 1. Now normally when you click this open, they give you a nice little cutscene, but I've already clicked it open before, so they're not giving you the nice little cutscene. So the problem is actually called lazy dev, and the problem is I really need to log into this website and they give you a handy link, but the developer hasn't implemented login yet. Can you help? So here's an enter the password website with basically nothing on it. Let's try a password like temp1234. And we hit submit, and they tell me, nah, that's not it. So how about we inspect element and see what there is to see. So here's some HTML code that creates a website. Not much. Script type equals text / JavaScript. Source equals static / client.js. This looks promising, especially since the hint told us to look inside the JavaScript and edit it. So let's try to find this under sources. The index. It doesn't tell us much. Oh, it does tell us that a process password function is being called when the submit button is pressed. So see, it reads like English. It says button type equals button, on click equals process password, and the text is submit. So this is straightforward. You don't even need to know JavaScript to know this. We can look under static, because that's what it says here. Static / client.js. Ooh, lucky. Validate password. Toto, implement me. Ooh, very straightforward. Let's edit this to true to see what happens, so that no matter what we enter, it returns true. We can look a bit further, make sure this is right. So the function process password is what is called when we press submit. So it gets the password from this field. The field is called password, and so it gets the value of that field. And then some res variable equals validate password, which will now always return true. And now the server now this thing is make a weird request to the server. So this time we're requesting with true instead of with false. So here's a bunch of junk that you don't actually need to read. It simply tells you that when it returns, when the request is made with true instead of false, it will give you the flag. So we can enter in anything. We could even enter the same thing and hit submit. Now it tells us client side is the dark side and gives us the flag. Copy paste this now. And now it's correct, and the challenge is complete.